Hello everyone, this is Dhira and you are watching Dream to Learn English. Hope you all are doing good. So let's start today's video. So are you reluctant to make conversation with people because you get stuck and you don't know exactly what to say? In today's article, I will give you 15 sentences that you can use in daily life when you are making conversation with a friend or with a stranger in a casual setting. And I am pretty certain that these sentences will certainly make you sound like a confident and fluent English speaker. So let's get going. Number 1. Hey Sam, good to see you. Use this when you meet someone after a break. Good to see you. Number 2. Lovely to meet you. Use this if you have just met someone for the first time. Lovely to meet you. Number 3. How's it going? Yes, it is just a smarter way of saying how are you. And how are you is a very common line. So instead of saying how are you, you can simply say how's it going. Number 4. When someone suggests a plan to go out or meet up, you can say sure, that sounds like fun. Number 5. I don't think we have met before. Use this sentence while introducing yourself to someone new at a party or gathering. One thing to keep in your mind that it's often more than the words. Conversation is also about body language. So sound interested and listen attentively and nod and smile appropriately and just look interested. So let's hear another one. When someone asks you, how are you? Or how are you doing? You can simply say, pretty good. What about you? Number 7. OMG, what a beautiful suit. Where did you get it? Yes, it is a great conversation starter. You can use this in an elevator where perhaps you got stuck with someone for a while or just at a party. Number 8. I can't believe how hot or cold it is today. Yes, weather is always a safe topic to make a conversation. And if the day is beautiful, you can say, I can't believe how lovely the weather is today. Number 9. Let's talk about something very common. So you are at your friend Ami's birthday party and there are a bunch of people you have never met before. And you find yourself sitting next to someone, you can ask them, so how do you know Amy? Number 10. What a small world. If you have just discovered that you both have some other common friends you didn't know about, this sentence is a perfect expression in this matter. What a small world. Number 11. I'm good, thanks. It's a smart way to refuse something like an extra serving of food or a ride home. Instead of saying no thanks, you can say I'm good, thanks. Number 12. What do you think? Asking for people's advice is always a great way to make conversation. For example, what do you think about the weekend plan? Or what are your thoughts? Number 13. Do you have a minute? So before you ask someone for help, to make sure that the person isn't busy, you can say this on phone as well. I want to discuss with you something. Do you have a minute? And if the person says yes, you can go ahead and ask them. Number 14. Can I give you a hand? No, it's not about giving your hand to someone. If you see someone is carrying heavy bags or lots of stuff, you can offer to help them by saying, can I give you a hand? Number 15. Let's grab lunch. If you want to suggest to someone that to out for a quick lunch, you can say, let's grab lunch. Hope this video is helpful for you all. If you like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please share it with your friends and family, and please leave your valuable views in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.